Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy. All right, this one is built on the Ford E450 Super Duty chassis. All right, again, you can get a nice look at the length of this one. In fact, let's see here if it's listed. Yep, exterior length. 32 feet 9 inches. There's your floor plan. And this one runs here at the show for 42. All right, so let's go in. You have two ways to get in. You can go in through the door, front passenger door if you wanted to, I guess. But you also have this entrance here. Okay. Wow, Lisa, I like this one.
Oh, me too.
Wow.
Yeah,
all right, so
nice.
look at this. So right when you come in, there's this, look at how big that is. Right? That is a nice banquette. You could seat several people there.
Yeah, easily.
Without a doubt.
Easily.
And that converts down to be a bed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's cabinetry up above. Okay. Nice
Oh, that's
cabinetry.
huge space up there.
Yep. Your TV, by the way, for this space is up where in the bunk area. Mm-hmm. So if you're where I'm sitting, this is the bench, you can see the TV there. It's a little off at an angle, but I believe that does swivel. So you can watch it from the bench or watch it when you're in the bed, because this again converts into be a bed. And you see where the ladder would connect right here at night. But yeah, nice place for the TV. This does convert down as well to be a bed. Mm-hmm. And as you see from the seat belts, you can sit there while you're driving down the road. Nice cabinetry above. Okay. And then nice kitchen, really.
Yeah,
So
it really is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is solid surface.
Yep.
You have a stainless 50/50 sink, tall faucet, plenty of countertop space actually.
Yeah, right.
We've got some storage above head.
Love it.
And we've got storage below the sink.
Nice.
Plus we have a little drawer here. Yeah. Now over here we've got our high point microwave. This is
That looks just like ours. It is not convection.
Correct. We do have a 3-burner stove and we have an oven. Plus, here's some more storage underneath.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And then to your left, that is a propane and a gas. So this is not 12 volts. So this is a propane refrigerator, and this is just like our refrigerator.
It is an Orgel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh, look at this.
There's some drawers right here too.
Yeah.
Nice. There's people looking like they want to come out, so we'll let them go by.
No, come on through.
All right, we'll go through. They're looking at all the electronics.
Oh, okay.
So we'll go all the way to the back. So here's your bedroom, right? So I'm going to give this to Lisa. I'm going to measure up this bed for you guys. It looks to be, I don't know, I'm not going to judge. 60. So queen width by 74.
So that is an RV queen.
60 by 74.
Yep.
Yeah, you couldn't get 80 in here because of
No, the slide.
The slide. Yep.
The only way to do that would be if this was articulating, so
Yep.
it would slide up, but it does not.
So obviously you can see cabinetry above, and I know you've seen us look at a lot of RVs, but in the travel trailers we and I kept on talking about the doors. These are the doors I'm talking about. So if you're storing clothes up there, t-shirts or shorts or whatever, they don't fall out when you're going down the road. Okay.
Some of the ones we were looking at had just the cubbies, no doors.
Almost all of them this morning.
Yes.
They were all cubbies.
Yes.
Yep. So power left and right on your nightstands.
Okay.
So you've got everything you need there. There's some drawers as well. There's little nightstands, so you're making use of that space, and they're pretty deep.
Very nice, and there's some on each side.
Yep. I'm sure there's storage underneath here, right? I mean, it's not
it's access.
Nope. It's
yeah, motor access.
Because there's stuff down there. Okay. Right across from us is your wardrobe. Right. Nice hanging space. It's finished off, which is nice. Nice couple drawers down here.
Right.
3 drawers there on the dresser, and then you got a TV up there as well. Nice little TV.
Plus a little shelf space there.
Yep. And again, this goes up, so you can store stuff in there
would
too.
you look at that.
Right?
Look at that extra space.
Yeah.
Love it.
Might as well use it, right?
Right?
And then, look at that. There's bunks in this sucker.
Oh my goodness.
So
The whole family.
the whole family.
You can.
No one's left out.
Tons of sleeping
It's actually
space
2 bunks.
in
This
here.
one's just up,
Yep.
right? And so I'll put that down so you can see if I can stop pressing on it. And so there's your curtain for your bottom person, right? And then the mattress just comes down. Okay?
Very nice.
If you're not using it as bunks, this is a hanging bar. Again, if this here, let me put it back up. If this was up, and you want to hang more clothes, it's a hanging rack. If you want to use it as a closet, not bunks.
Very nice.
Right? And then there's this, so you know what time it is, right?
It's time for Toilet's Toilet Test.
All right, no problems here, guys. We're in this Minnie Winnie and got plenty of space, okay? What's nice is, and we've talked about it a couple times, but you see how the countertop is cut out here? That actually gives, for taller people or bigger people like me, room for your, because if that wasn't cut out, I'd be rubbing against it. So it's cut out just enough to give you space, which is very, very comfortable.
Very nice.
So as you can see, nice countertop for the sink and the countermount sink. It is plastic, it is not stainless, okay? There you go, some storage down there. Extra countertop space with a drawer underneath. There is a cubby down there as well.
Very nice.
And you can see there's cabinetry up above me. That would sort of probably be partially your medicine chest.
I would agree.
Since the mirror is flat, from a tall man standpoint, I can actually see my entire self, so we're good to go with that.
I'm a little concerned about that shower.
I just fit. I can get the width of my hand flat between me and the bubble.
Okay.
So it just fits me at 6'4". So yeah, couldn't be any taller than that. Okay.
All right.
Love it. I think the only thing we didn't see, or at least look at, is there's a cabinet here. And so there's storage for things right here. They were looking at that when we came in.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody. There we go. So there's a little cabinet here. And again, here's your plugs. For your command center for moving in slides and stuff. Okay?
So how many people will this thing sleep? A ton.
A ton.
Two
so,
back here.
So yeah, 2 up front.
4.
Technically, I guess 2 there. So there's 4. 2 there, 6.
And plus
2 there,
4
8.
more.
2 there, 10. Yeah, 10.
10
people. It's a band bus.
It is a band bus.
With the roadies.
I love it.
For all you aspiring musicians out there, you don't have to do it in a van. Here you go. Again, we are 142, 315 here at the show.